I'm going to show you when I got my RV what kind of shape and position the anode rod fitting was in. The anode rod looks like it went in crooked. It actually looks like it was cross-threaded. I'm not sure how this is going to do because I'm in the bright sun and it's kind of in the shadows. Just trying to give you a shot of it. It definitely was not straight, and there was a lot of exposed threads on it. So after getting it out, sure enough, there was only about 2 threads holding it into the water heater. So went ahead and took it out, and threads were pretty rusty in the water heater itself, and looked like they just need to be cleaned up. So I went ahead and did some research on a tap. It just looked like it needed to be tapped. I don't know if you can read this or not, but the tap is a 3/4 NPT, that stands for National Pipe Thread. The number 14 is 14 threads per inch. And of course it matches the thread size on this. And your new one, here's a brand new one, it's the exact same thing, of course. The socket required for this is 1 1/16 inch. I believe it's standard because it mentions it on the back. Requires a 1 1/16 diameter socket wrench. And there's a lot of videos on sacrificial anode rods. I won't go into that. It even tells you on the instructions to replacement of the anode rod is recommended when consumption or weight loss is greater than 75%. And this, believe it or not, is original. And it's actually still got plenty left. But I do use, for short camping trips, 3 to 6 nights, I'll use propane on the hot water heater. So I'm going to show you outside running this tap into the water heater, how it cleans up the threads, and then after that you can engage these threads the proper amount. If you guys have never used a tap before, you got to be extremely careful. They're very hard and very sharp. And if you get them started crooked, they'll go ahead and cut their own threads. I'm just going to try it by hand, and I kind of wiggle it around a little bit. It is tapered the way it's made. You can see the taper on it, on the end of it. It kind of helps it get started. But don't be rigid with it when you start it. Just wiggle it. Now the first time I done that, mine got tight right about there. Now it's going on in. And it took a ratchet. Again, that's a 3/4 inch tap, National Pipe Thread, 14 threads per inch. I'm going to put a link down below to Amazon. If you don't want to run all over hell's half acre trying to find one, click on the link, then you're only 2 clicks away from having it delivered to your door at a very good price, very competitive price. Before you run down to your local parts house, you might want to give them a call. A lot of the parts houses are not going to have these in stock. She's cutting there. And that's all I'm going to cut it. I can remove it by hand. Feels very crisp. I feel for sure that I rescued my water heater by using this operation. Threads look really good. And good luck with yours, and thanks for watching.